Emma and the Magic Paintbrush. Emma is a young girl. She lives in a small village. Emma loves to paint. She has many brushes and colors. One day, Emma finds a new paintbrush. It is old and shiny. Emma takes it home. She sits at her desk. She paints a small bird. The bird comes to life. Emma is surprised. The bird flies around the room. Emma smiles at the bird. "Are you real?" she asks. The bird chirps happily. Emma paints a tree. The tree grows tall in her garden. She paints a swing on the tree. The swing is real too. Emma swings on it. The bird sits on her shoulder. Emma thinks, "This brush is magic." She paints a house. The house is beautiful. It appears next to her own house. Emma tells her parents. They look at the house. "You painted this?" they ask. Emma nods. Her parents are amazed. Emma paints food on a plate. The food smells delicious. The family eats together. Emma paints a river. A blue river flows behind their house. The villagers hear about Emma. They come to see her magic brush. "Can you help us?" they ask. Emma agrees. She paints a school. The children clap and cheer. She paints a hospital. The villagers are very happy. Emma feels proud. A man comes to the village. He wears black clothes. He looks at Emma. "I want that brush," he says. Emma hides the brush. The man gets angry. He tries to take the brush. The bird pecks him. The man runs away. The villagers protect Emma. "This brush is for good," they say. Emma paints a wall. The wall is tall and strong. It keeps the village safe. Emma paints a garden. The garden is full of flowers. The villagers plant seeds. The garden grows bigger. Emma paints a library. The children read books. Everyone is happy. Emma's bird sings every day. Emma paints a pond. Ducks swim in the pond. The village looks beautiful. Emma paints a clock. The clock tells the time. Emma paints a playground. The children play and laugh. Emma paints a bridge. The bridge crosses the river. People use it every day. The villagers love Emma. They call her the magic girl. Emma paints a bakery. The baker makes bread and cakes. Everyone eats together. Emma paints a school bus. The children ride it to school. Emma paints animals. The animals live in the forest. Emma paints a rainbow. The rainbow shines in the sky. Emma paints stars. The stars light up the night. The villagers look up and smile. Emma feels happy. Her bird dances in the moonlight. The villagers thank Emma. They give her flowers. Emma hugs her parents. "This brush is a gift," she says. The villagers live in peace. The village is beautiful forever. Emma loves her magic brush. She paints happiness for everyone.